My kids are getting hungry and I'm making a broccoli salmon fried rice. There are really three things that you need to know in order to make a delicious fried rice. One, how to prevent that egg from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Two, how to get that fluffy, separated rice. And three, how to get that seasoning on point. And by the way, I'm making everything from my stainless steel pan to show you that you can make a really good fried rice from any pan you have. Let's start by preparing the veggies. Chop a shallot and cut the broccoli into small, even pieces. And don't toss the stalk. It's naturally sweet and adds a really nice crunch. Now for the seasoning mix. In a bowl, combine the sugar, fish sauce, and soy sauce. Picky eaters tend to love that savory sweet balance, so this combination works really well. Mix until the sugar is fully dissolved. Next, let's prep the salmon. There are 4 simple steps to keep it from sticking to the pan. First, it's important to dry it thoroughly. Second, make sure that your pan is hot. Third, use an oil with a high smoking point, like avocado or grapeseed oil. Finally, once the oil is hot and starting to smoke, add the fish skin side down, placing it away from you. When it's ready, it will naturally release from the pan. I like to remove the skin and let it crisp up separately. From my experience working with picky eaters, crispy fish skin is a big hit. I call it the high protein chip. Remove the salmon and wipe out the oil. This keeps the fried rice from tasting fishy and keeps the flavors clean and balanced. Now let's cook the egg. It's the same method as with the fish. We need a hot pan, high smoking point oil. Now add the egg and let it sit undisturbed until the edges are golden and lightly bubbling. Then flip. Add the shallots and saute until they're soft and golden. Add in the broccoli and give it a stir for about a minute. For the final important component of our fried rice, the rice. Use a day-old rice straight up from the fridge. Fresh rice is too moist and tends to clump up, but chilled rice stays fluffy and separated. Add the egg and the salmon back into the pan and gently break everything up with your spatula. Then pour in the seasoning mix. Toss and fold until everything is evenly coated. You know your fried rice is ready when the broccoli is bright green, when the rice is heated through and fluffy again, and the sauce is fully absorbed. Savory, sweet, and perfect for picky eaters.